Hey everybody, welcome to 30 Days of Jing. I'm Mason. I'm really excited to go on this journey with you. It's the 4th year that we're doing the 30 Days of Jing challenge. I love these Jing herbs. I love my kidneys and I love your kidneys. And that Jing formula is it's one of my babies. I'm really, that creation has, it's been exciting to me to see how it can go out and help restore this foundational core energy that's associated with our libido, our hormonal fluctuations, and, helping us stop relying on external inputs and particularly stimulants to build up our endogenous energy. And that's what 30 Days of Jing is all about. So please remember that this PDF that we are within right now is interactive. So throughout it, we've got links to resources to educate you more about what Jing energy is, to podcasts, blogs, recipes. There's links over to the Facebook page to support you through your 30 Days of Jing process. So please put it to good use. And I'd also just like to remind you that there are a few phases of this challenge. Now, the first phase is very simple and easy for most people. And that's just taking the Jing herbs, and the easiest way to go about that is the Jing formula, and just simply add that into your life, into your diet, right? For 30 days. Now, we've got information in the PDF about dosage and some suggestions of how you can do that. Now, the second phase, when it gets really interesting, and I know that it gets very exciting, there's a lot of people that this is going to be their 4th year doing this, doing this practice for 30 days of the year. We get on the Jing herbs and we get off all stimulants, just to give our little adrenals, our beautiful kidneys, a little break from that very yang stimulating energy, so that we can get back into a place of cultivating deep energy. And that Jing energy is associated with our longevity, our hair health and color as we get into the elder years, so on and so forth. And so we want to make sure that we give ourselves that little bit of spaciousness. And so when it comes to our stimulants, for some of you, it's going to be easy to cut out the green teas, the coffee's the big one, cacao. Sometimes people are like, oh, don't take away my cacao as well as my coffee. The Earl Greys, anything that is a stimulant. We're going to either cut them out, cold turkey, but remember, this isn't a hardcore challenge. We're looking to make sure that this is really sustainable for you long term and get you benefits for where you're vibing or where you're at. And so for you, it may just be lowering your intake of stimulants over the 30 days. Maybe what feels right and an appropriate challenge is to cut out coffee, but keep your cacao. And maybe just lower the amount of cacao chocolate that you're having over those 30 days. Maybe, you were having like a little block every day, get to every second day. Or it might be you're having 2 coffees a day, get to having 1. And then eventually, if you can, get down to a quarter. And just go nice and slow, because it's going to be a bit of a freak out getting off stimulants sometimes. So just go your own pace. Ideally though, hopefully by the end of the 30 days, we're off stimulants and we're having a little bit of an experience of what it's like to live life, just a bit of a reset of what it's like to live life without those stimulants. And you'd be surprised at just how transformational it can be in a very subtle way, just to feel, wow, that's right. That's that little reminder, right? This is what it feels like for me to be building my own energy. This is what it's like to not be reliant externally on stimulants. You can really rebuild your relationship with, something like as simple as matcha, or as simple as your Earl Grey, but definitely your coffee, these more aggressive stimulants can really rebuild your relationship and realign yourself, so it's not just an excessive relationship, it's not abusive, because anything that we're doing excessive long term drains our Jing, and that's what we're wanting to do. We're not making coffee bad or chocolate bad, we're just giving ourselves a little bit of a space. So make sure that you join that Facebook group, make sure you utilize this PDF, get in touch with us. You can interact with us on the Facebook page or on Instagram as well. We're going to be sharing lots of little tidbits and tricks, and follow along. Have fun. Good luck. I'm just so happy for you and your kidneys.